Assalamu alaikum, dear students. The GAT Maths Collection, 23rd June 2024. These are some questions on 23rd June of 2024. Sharing is caring, that's why I would like to share. So let's proceed. Here is the question that appears on 23rd June GAT exam. So you are asked to solve this question now. The first step, we need to add these two fractions, 1 plus 1 over 4. To add two fractions, we need to express them with the same denominator. Here we have 1, therefore, instead of writing 1, I can rewrite as 4 over 4. So as we can add the two fractions. So we need to start from here now. Now, 4 over 4, it will be the same as 1. Why do we write 4 over 4? Because the denominator is 4. We need to have the same denominator. Therefore, 4 over 4, it will be the same as 1. Now we can add the fraction because we have what? The same denominator. Okay? Then, 1 plus 4, it will be 5. Here, the least common multiple or the least common multiple is 4. So we need to write what? 5 over 4. Now, the next step, it will be 1 over 5 over 4. 1 divided by 5 over 4. So we need to flip this one. When you flip it, so it will be what? 4 over 5. Now we need to add 1 plus 4 over 5. Hence, we need to write, instead of 1, we're going to write what? 5 over 5. Okay? Instead of 1, 5 over 5, 4 over 5. Now we have the same denominator. We can add now. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay? So, yeah, we do have the same denominator. Now we can add them. Okay? Then it will be what? 1 over 9 over 5. Now you can flip 9 over 5. The final answer will be what? 5 over 9. So the answer will be D. So have a look, please, guys. You can try it by yourself. Okay, let's proceed the next question. Here is the next question now. This is also what? The question that appears on June 23rd, on 23rd of June 2024. Here is the question. You are asked to find the area of the shaded part. This one, we need to calculate the shaded area. Okay? Now, here we have what? This one is this smaller semicircle, and we have another identical semicircle here. These two semicircles, they are identical, they are the same, they are equal. Therefore, if I cut this part, if I put it here, it becomes what? This would be complete semicircle. Okay, so now that's the key point, guys. Here we have what? Two identical semicircles. The two smaller identical semicircles. Now, if I cut this one, if I put it here, we'll have what? Complete semicircle. Now, we can find the area of the circle. I mean, the area of the circle is pi r square. However, here we have what? Semicircle, half circle. Therefore, we need to divide by 2. Okay? So you are asked to find, or you are asked to express in terms of r. Therefore, the area will be what? Pi r square divided by 2. Quite simple, yeah? Okay, let's proceed to the next one. In this question, you are asked to compare A, 3 square root of 2, and B, 2 square root of 3. Keep in your mind this point. If A is greater than B, A and B are two constant numbers. If A is greater than B, therefore, A square root of B is greater than b squared of a. If you have two numbers, one is inside the square root and the other one is outside the square root, if you want to compare, just compare what the outside part, this outside part. As we said, here it's given now, if a is greater than b now, so a squared of b will be greater than b squared of a. So, based on this now, we have two numbers. The two numbers are what? 3 and 2. 2 and 3, the same number, yes? But we need to compare the outside part, 3 and 2. 3 is greater than 2, therefore 3 squared of 2 is greater than 2 squared of 3. That's the key point, okay? Therefore, the answer will be what? A is greater than B. Okay? In this question, you are asked to find the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle. Okay? A square is inscribed in a circle. This is a square now. Square means all the sides are equal. Okay? How did you find the area of the square? In order to find the circumference of the circle, we need what? We need the diagonal. Okay? So first, we need to calculate the side of the square. The area of the square is what? S square. S square means S times S, where S is the side of the square. Now we need to find S, okay? Okay, here S will be square root of 64. When I say S, means the side of the square. The side of the square is what? Square root of 64, which is equal to what? 8. Now we can find the diagonal. This diagonal. This diagonal means the diameter of the circle. Okay, we can apply Pythagoras theorem now. You know Pythagoras theorem? A square plus b square equals what? C square, yes? Now, let's apply the Pythagoras theorem now. 8 square plus 8 square equals d square. Now, what about d? D will be what? The square root of 8 square plus 8 square. So, this will be what? Square root of 2 times 64. Square root of 64 is 8. 8 square root of 2 will be what? The diagonal. If you know the diagonal, means what? This diagonal is the diameter of the circle. We can find the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle is pi times d. Pi times d. Pi times d. Already we know the d now. So the answer will be what? 8 square root of 2 pi. That's the answer, okay? Quite simple, yeah? But keep in your mind, try to manage your time. Try to solve the question as fast as you can, you know? Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and like. And if you have comment also, you can comment. You can write your comment. Okay, sharing is caring. That's why I would like to share with you guys. So you can share with anyone. Thank you so much.